Enya no kura ho asem na ewo. While making appearance BMO aye ohema oyeje ni show so. And during the conversation that happened between Abena Korkor and ohema oyeje, according to Abena Korkor, she's sticking.
And in your experience, since you are many be a micro, and on Bomber Bofia, he doesn't.
Oh, now you have a guy. Sister Obama on anything.
He's also bipolar like me.
I see.
Or you say, maybe Bina and ya or your donning and our energy level, she are
connected too well.
And Kochiche is now oya why MP na or say no. Is he a politician? No. Is he a minister? No. Is he a musician? No. Why is he this media personalities? The mama Paul Lekin or say no. Hey now who is this man? A very handsome young TikTok guy. And I'm Abena, looking at your height, what's a TikTok guy? Because I see only what the Titu no Koko so to say yes or feel it. And this man no is not a Ghanaian, according to Abena. 1 year specific, but Ochima, he's an American army officer. What a go on? Finally, Abena Korkor Ochima, she's off the market. Though she's not married and also be but she's off the market. More person mobile on the list so no because there is no way and there is no chance for you all. This is SammyKay Media. Unsubscribe here to the channel. Do well and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification button. Have a like or share, leave your comment under this video. Me did the best. Abena Korkor now seeing I mean she went off social media. Ni huno yentene nka either being interview and answer or ha ye huno but ehu yanse waba Amazon Felix any interview I am a coffee platform any koye interview ko kan same bebre fa Peduase Lodge. The reason why you banning it from there ye manu raho and ko titwi same bebre ban around the bay and am she bi pikini mi na mi baby mi swimi osoma o meje na ma ekra menu achi fifi prat e de apology ebre around the because of platformer or the Korkor. But enya no kura ho asem na ewo. While making appearance BMO aye ohema oyeje ni show so. And during the conversation that happened between Abena Korkor and ohema oyeje, according to Abena Korkor, she's sticking. She is sticking. She is off the market. Oh baby say no worry that pain. And you worry ye. But this person that she's in the relationship with down to earth. In fact, almost better than not. Date na be enya amamonti but Ghana fo nyina be hu and Kochiche is na oya hwan ado MP na or say no. Is he a politician? No. Is he a minister? No. Is he a musician? No. Why is he this media personalities? The mama Paul Lekin or say no. Now who is this man? A very handsome young TikTok guy. And I'm Abena, looking at your height, what's a TikTok guy? Because I see only what the Titu no Koko so to say yes or feel it. And this man no is not a Ghanaian, according to Abena. 1 year specific, but Ochima, he's an American army officer. A be a bit me African, but obviously not Ghanaian Ochima. Was so bipolar, just like Ono Abena Korkor ever bipolar. You know, Nyamia Shishema we dear Amano, because upon ye see me abani no. Yakopon se wodo no obema na obi otena se obi asebe enema nkoyi a obeti yes this is what Abena Korkor ede atuja.
Having all this tall list of men say omunyina ene wo accord
enye bibi boni ya siwe ye hwehwema ansa ye hu ni aye eye man
to feel say nyina when shadan high
baby. And in your experience, since you are many be a micro, and on Bomber Bofia, he doesn't.
Oh, now you have a guy. Sister Obama on anything.
He's also bipolar like me.
I see.
Or you say, maybe Bina and ya or your donning and our energy level, she are
connected too well.
Asia, everything is so effortless. Everything is so effortless. Into
our one, and I say, Abuche, the any Abuche, and said, I know one, I say,
dating.
Meneno, Hoyeti, boom,
our ye, Bibia, no. Our rear ya febo, into be any boko, Misiano.
It is saying Abena Korkor out of the market.
I'm out of the market. I'm out of that.
Do you mind sharing the name?
Oh, Debbie.
I know you're coded. Or you're a politician or you're software.
Or you're a politician.
Or you're software.
You're making say, oh yeah, an American army officer.
I see, you're an army officer.
Very disciplined.
And you're
very well cultured. And say me here discipline. Or you're 10 grams.
I see.
Me da ne kokoso no mu ze me da.
Oh my Lord.
It is your loss. Oh, it's their loss.
Yeah, and see video na yakọ share no. Miss Abena Korkor video okasa ene ochirema. Sisi ya de Ghana for munyim ani fi ne so. Especially you this big men no. Won't forget it. Where mu say Abena Korkor she's nice. Yes, she is nice, you know. Obekwa akokasa because ebi mutimi friend no mene wo ebeye we bese me ma wuska obobo nipa bebredi we person man 8,000 or didn't be call law school or no person call science a whole lot. You know Abena Korkor chema eye ti say there wapon obi a man list su biem sa time ne twemu she is about ya foforo because na me amana ne hokafo I mean or the dofo amano enti no munyi na mompake muniama enfancy nchen na de say no but make I will say mami go da kokofan type papa de fia brochiraba nti rush ko ne hosisi ya in fact new goods out there ba no wan ko na eseja wa don't come and blame anybody here anything na ye catch on nti ko mami go do afin so always push at on weeks or ye makeup pedicure manicure facial say bibia bi me ma pese ko yi wuti a very nice haircut be the amount ko ne siesi o more unai no say nyina afi ma bi more nye fe kra so opege be de nya girl ti ko always push no siesi o na no girl no kwa o her appearance as bra ye guy ni nyina na o credit no ama always push afin so make house Delta Rentals rent cars nti any car of a choice our person rent no you get it at Delta Rentals and Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic free fertility and prostate scan no koso nti tutumika eko Endpoint na yenye free fertility and prostate scan ni ma you should be dem ni ma koya ye fa won tun juice ma ho to on the 20th to on the 27th of October ye ko Dubai from Nairobi to Dubai. Yes, unya we I just say higher and with just $1,450 and $1,750 ubetimi akobi visa accommodation with food you be sign so what places you be to ni nyina yes we go twetwe take care of ni nyina nti no boabo ho now on the 20th to on the 27th yenko Dubai yenko relax yenko have fun yenko to Ghana sa untu kwan. This is the time for you to travel. Make arrangements now 20th to 27th. Yenko Dubai. And I just say Abena Korkor a story no and I say name no boys na say more men na say momo Korkor ni dear Abena like you put a hold on it because she's off the market. Just say kawana yenya fan share nsa and the kase mu no twema they will marry oni ne guy now wa brochi I mean US and I say or army officer no they will get married when the time is right. This is SammyKay Media. So won't subscribe here. Now wa subscribe, wa like, wa share, wa comment the amame. Me the best. Shout outs to Ima, shout outs to Rhymes, shout outs to Sexy Malam.